Okay. Okay. Look at here. X plus y equal to 10. X minus y equal to 8. Okay. By elimination method. Hello. Look at here. Now we are going for elimination method. Okay. Okay. Wait. Let me check. 5 batch B guys. Okay. Look at here. X plus y equal to 10. X minus y equal to 1. Number 1, number 2. Okay. Elimination. The meaning is what? One of the variable you have to eliminate. Hello. Don't write. Just listen out. One of the variable you have to eliminate it. Okay. You can decide either X or Y. It's up to you. You decide it. Okay. Then, which one you want to eliminate? Suppose you are going to eliminate X or Y. Okay. First of all, you have to keep it the way coefficient should be same. For example, here 1, here 1, here 1. Plan understood? Hello. Listen. Plan 1. You decide which one you want to eliminate, either X or Y. Okay. Suppose you decided to eliminate Y, then check the coefficients are same or not. For example, sometimes here X plus 2y equal to 10, X minus 3y equal to 6, like this. Okay. Plan 1. Look at here. Step 1. You decide which one to eliminate, either X or Y. That's all your decision. Then suppose you decide to eliminate Y, then make it coefficients should be same. If not, how can make it same? Either multiply same number, both equations. Okay, that's by practice we will get it. Okay. Then if the coefficient is same, same sign, we just subtract. That will eliminate. The coefficient is same, different sign, just add it. That's the method. Okay. Look at here now. Suppose I decided, look at here. Suppose I decided to eliminate Y. Suppose I decided to eliminate, listen, Harsha, listen here. I didn't listen here. Suppose I decided to eliminate, Anigrah, listen here. Suppose I decided to eliminate Y. Okay. Then here coefficient is 1, here coefficient also 1. Both are 1. Correct or no? 1y, 1y. Different sign. If the different sign, we just add both. What? 1 plus 2. X plus x, 2x. 10 plus 8, 18. X what? 9. X 9, substitute here. 9 plus y equal to 10. Y equal to what? 1. Finish. Simple. Here now, Harsha. The plan understood or not? First of all, you decided which one you want to eliminate it. Either X or Y. Then which one you want to eliminate, their coefficient should be same. If not, make it equal by multiplication. That I'll show you. Okay. Clear? Then coefficients are same sign, subtract it. Coefficients are different, coefficients are same, different sign, add it. Okay, same question I can subtract also. Look at here. If I subtract, what happened? 1 minus 2. X is gone. Y minus y, 2y. 2. Y equal to 1. Substitute. This also you get it. Okay. So I'll show another question. 2-3 questions I'll show you. Then we come to now. Okay. Don't write now. Just listen out. This is the good questions. Okay. Look, listen on. X plus 2y, x plus 2y equal to -1. Call it number 1. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Number 2. Okay. X plus 2y equal to -1. X plus 2y equal to -1. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Okay. Okay, my plan is, eliminate x. Look at here, my plan is eliminate x. Hello, each step, if not getting asked, this is a very important part. Because after this one, I'll give you word problems. I won't show the solutions. You have to work out yourself. If not getting, you'll miss the entire questions. Okay. I decided to eliminate x. Okay. But here 1 only, here 2, not equal. So what will do? 1 into 2. Equation 1 into 2. That means you have to multiply everywhere. 2x plus 4y equal to -2. Number 3. Third equation now. Okay. Now, here 2x, same number, same sign. Subtract. 2 minus 3, gone. This is -7y, correct or no? -3 plus 4, -7y equal to 14. Y equal to -2. Y equal to -2, you can give here or here. Anywhere you can give. Y equal to -2, you can give to anywhere. Clear now? This one I eliminated x. Okay. Suppose same question, you can another method. Look at here. Look. This all practice all you will get. Look at here. Suppose you want to eliminate y. Eliminate y. How I can make it this y? How you can make it same sign? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to listen. The first equation multiplied by 3. Second equation multiplied by 2. No need LCM and all. No need LCM. Okay. The first equation. Listen here. The non LCM. The first equation 1 into 3. What will you get? 3x plus 6y equal to -3. Number 3. Second equation multiplied by 2. 4x minus 6y equal to 24. Number 4. Okay. Plus 6y minus 6y. How you can how to eliminate? Plus 6y plus 6y plus 6y minus 6y. You just add 3 plus 4. What do you get? 7x equal to 7x equal to adding no 3 plus 4 7 21. Okay, x equal to 3. X equal to 3. So substitute anywhere. You can find out the right. Clear or not? Is it okay? Getting or not? Hello. Okay. So just see 2-3 questions. I'll show here 2-3 questions. Then after that we can continue. Okay. Take your time. No problem. Okay. Look, Jonathan, your class where you reach? Jonathan, your school where you reach? Harsha, that depends on the question, man. That is, you think of and find out. Mean finish or not? Still not finished. Okay. So tomorrow we'll finish statistics for you. Okay. Okay. It's okay for you, right or no? Same method only you're doing, right? Maybe DI all different. Instead of DI, maybe UI using. Okay. Okay. Now, next question: x plus y equal to 3. Number 1. 2x plus 5y equal to 12. Number 2. Okay. Okay. Don't write. You will do later this question on, okay? Half here. Which one you want to eliminate? You decide it. Half here. You want to eliminate X or Y? Okay, you want to eliminate X. Okay. Look at here. I'm asking everyone, okay? Half here want to eliminate X. Okay. Equation number 1. What is the coefficient of X? 1. Equation 2, what is the coefficient of equation 2? What is the coefficient of X? 2. Okay, so you have to make it equal. Zaba, how to make it equal? Here 2, here 1. What to do? Multiply by 2. Equation 1 multiply by 2. What? 2x plus 2y equal to 6. Number 3. Correct? Okay. Now same sign. No, don't write. Other. First of all, get the idea. Okay. Here, same sign, same number. Subtract. 2 minus 3. 3y equal to 6. 12 minus 6. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Give here. X plus 2 equal to 3. X equal to 1. Clear now. Okay. Because after that, I won't explain. You have to write yourself all answers. Okay. Tejas. Okay or not? Sham. Soha. Zaba. Divyansh. Sham Santosh. Varada. Okay. So now, so next question. One more question I'll show you. Then we can try. Okay. X minus. Okay. X minus 2y equal to 5. Then 2x plus 3y equal to 10. Okay. Oh, same type. Same like before. No, don't do so. It's exactly same like before. Okay. I'll show another one. Entirely different one. Okay. Okay. Look. 8x plus 5y equal to 9. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay. Sham, what's your plan? Which one you want to eliminate? Harsha, what's your plan? This is call it number 1. This is call it number 2. Harsha want to eliminate which one? Harsha. Hello. X. Okay, X. Okay, X is here 8, here 3. How to make it equal? How to make it equal? Here 8, here is 3. What to do? How to make it equal? Here 8, here is 3. Multiply. What multiply? What you have to multiply? That's it. Tell. What you have to multiply? Both equation, no, both equation what multiplication? What you have to multiply? Equation which number? Tell me that. Which number to multiply? 1 into 3, 3 into 8. Correct? Oh, sorry, 2 into 8. That's correct, no? Right? Hello, listen all. Varada. The first equation multiplied by 3. Second equation multiplied by 8. That's only possible, right? Or suppose you want to y what? Suppose you want to eliminate y. First equation multiply by 2. Second equation is 5. Then make it equal. Varada, are you okay or not? Getting or not? Okay. So 1 into 3. We get 24x plus 15y equal to 27. 2 into 8. We get 24x plus 16y equal to 32. Subtract. Listen, if it is same sign, subtract. Different sign, add. Okay, different mean one is positive, one is negative. Subtract minus y equal to minus 27 minus 5. Y equal to 5. Y equal to 5, give here. Anywhere you can give, you can look at the x value. Are you okay? Come on. Is it okay or not? Shall I give another question? Okay, one more question I'll show you. Okay, one more I'll show you. Or you want to try? Are you ready to try or not? Hello. You want to show one more question or you want to try? Okay. Okay, then try. Listen here. Hey, come on. Take the last class or one more you want. Okay, Mrudula. One more question I'll show you. Okay. Don't worry. One more I'll show you. Look. Wait. Okay. Look. Second equation. Okay. 3x minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. Next one, minus 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Mrudula, which one you want to show him? Which one you want to eliminate? X. Okay. If it is x, Mrudula want to eliminate y. Okay. So y eliminates it more easy. Why? Just multiply. This is equation number 1, equation number 2. 1 into 7. What? Minus 14x minus 7y minus 21 equal to 0. Number 3. Look. No, 2 into 2 into 7. Minus 14x minus 7 minus 21 equal to 0. Then minus 7y minus 7y. 1 minus 3. 17x. 3 minus minus equal to minus 10 minus minus plus 31. Oh, fraction now equal to 0. Correct or no? 10 minus minus 21. That is correct. No? 31. 17x equal to minus 31. X equal to x equal to 30 minus 31 by 17x. Okay. So what we will do now? Now you take last class. Last class, how many questions we did? That or one by one you copy. Try this method because you know how the answer also. Correct or not? Okay, do first. Okay, last class you did how many questions we did? Last class, how many questions we did? Check the 10. Okay, that 10 questions you have to work out with this method. You know the answer already. You know the answer. If not matching the answer, tell me. I'll show that question. This method. Don't do other method. Only elimination method. Okay. Try now. Okay. Start. Okay. These 10 questions you have to work out. Answer already you know that, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, which one not getting? Other, which one not getting? Tell me. I tell you that. You try first one. Okay, first one. Look at here. First one. Read the question because I don't have question. First one. Read the question. Just type it. X plus. Type x plus y equal to 10. X plus y equal to 10. Then x minus y equal to 6. Okay, simple. Look at here. Here, I'm going to eliminate y. See, plus y minus y. Plus y minus y. Plus y and minus y. Okay. So then now what to do? You just add. Because here, 1, here also 1. 1 plus 2. Simple. 2x equal to 16. X equal to 8. Then we can find out. Okay. Sham, understood or not? Okay. Are they working clear now? Okay, this is which question? Yeah, you can eliminate Devi. You can eliminate X or Y. No problem. This is your decision. Okay, Dhruv, which question that? Dhruv, 2x plus 3y equal to 17. 2x minus 2y equal to 0. I gave like the question. Check the question, second question. Dhruv. Equal to 6. Okay. Look, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y equal to 17. Number 1. Okay. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Number 2. Okay. Which one you want to eliminate? No, which one you want to eliminate? Decide it. Dhruv. X. Okay. You multiply 1 into 3. 1 into 3, what you get? Equation 1 into 3. 6x plus 9y equal to 51. Number 3. 2 into 2. 6x minus 4y equal to 12. Number 4. Subtract. Got 13y equal to 51 minus 42. How much? 51 minus 12 is 39. Y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. We can substitute anywhere. Okay. This is the way. You try, practice it. Then only you will get it. Okay. Okay. It's clear now? That is depends on Ahmad. It depends on the question. If you want to eliminate Y also, both are no problem. Okay. Suppose you want to eliminate here what? This with the 2, this with the 3. No problem. Anything you can eliminate. Understood now? If I eliminate X, you may be asked why. If I eliminate Y, you will ask maybe why X. Okay. Anything, no problem. The selection is your selection, which is the easiest one. Okay. Okay, now you're not getting Samsung doors. Why you late, man? Why you late? I already said the method. Now how can I? You check the video now. Okay. Why you late? Because we started at 6:30. We started. You coming at 7:30 asking me? This is one particular method. That is okay. Okay, Sham, which one doubt? When they ask the doubt, you can check. Sham. Okay, look at here now. Look. 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1. X minus y equal to minus 1. Okay. Sham, what do you plan? You want to eliminate what? You want to eliminate what? Y. Okay. So what you'll do? This equation 1, this equation 2. Amen. Look at here. Same method I'm doing here now. Okay. He want to Sham Santosh want to eliminate y. Our method is called elimination method. That means you have to eliminate either x or y first. So he said he want to eliminate y. So that means you have to make it coefficient of y should be equal. So here minus 5, here minus 1. That should be equal. So what will do? 2 into 5. 5x minus 5y equal to minus 5. Number 3. Understood or not? Sham, okay? Suppose you decided to eliminate y. So the coefficient should be same. Here it was 5, here 1 only, so multiply by 5. Then subtract 1 minus 3. 3x minus 5x minus 2x equal to minus 1 minus 5. 4. X equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Substitute one of the equation. Suppose here substitute. Minus 2 minus y equal to minus 1. Minus y equal to 1. Y equal to minus 1. Clear now? Okay, Aman, got some idea? Okay, now try each question. Last class, how many questions we did? That all you try. If not getting, tell me, I'll explain to you. Okay, you finish all. Which question? Other. Which question? Okay, x plus 2y. there is a doubt question. X plus 2y. Okay, x plus 2y equal to minus 1. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Okay. Number 1, number 2. This Aman, are you here or not? Okay. Aman, look at here. Hello. Okay. So here this method is called elimination method. Last class we discussed substitution method. This method is called elimination method. So that means the word itself meaning is what? You have to eliminate one of the variable, maybe x or y. That's up to you. To eliminate either x or y, we need the coefficient should be equal. Suppose you want to eliminate x. Suppose you want to eliminate x. Here is 1, coefficient 1. Here is 2. So very easy. You make it equal. What? 1 into 2. What? 2x plus 4y equal to minus 2. Number 3. You have to multiply everywhere. Not only here only. Other, okay? Other. You have to multiply here, here, here. Everywhere you have to multiply it. Okay. Now same. If the coefficient is same sign, subtract 2 minus 3. 2 gone. Minus 3 minus 4, minus 7y equal to 14. Y equal to minus 2. So y, you got y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2, give to here. X plus 4 equal to minus 1. X equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Finish. This is the way. Okay. Yeah, you can, okay. No, you can eliminate y also. Okay. There is no issue. Minus 3y. What? Yeah, that. No. You subtract, you're subtracting, no, minus 3y. Subtracting. You subtracting 4y from minus 3y. Minus, hey, come on. Minus 3 minus plus 4. What? Minus 3 minus plus 4. Change the sign and adding. The minus 7. That's why minus 7. Clear now? The elimination is this much headache is there. Substitution, there is no problem. Okay. That is up to you. Yeah. If you have logic mind, elimination is easy. Otherwise, substitution. Okay. But if it is an open question, let's solve. You can use any method. Okay, Marsuk, ask. Marsuk, ask. Okay, your doubt question. Okay, look at here. So look at here. Okay, 2x minus y, 2x minus y equal to 6. X minus y equal to 2. So it's very simple. Look, 1, same sign. Just subtract 1 minus 2. 2x minus x implies 4 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. X equal to 4. Finish. Then go to here and get the y. Clear now, Marsuk? Okay. Finish all the questions. Then I can start next one. Okay. Shahid, are you getting or not? Emma. Emma, getting or not? Okay. Okay. So try all the questions, this method. If not getting, tell me, I'll explain one by one. No problem. Okay. So x plus y. Okay, come on, Patiana. X plus y 7. 5x plus 12y equals 7. Very simple. First equation multiply by 5. First equation multiply by 5. What? 5x plus 5y. Yeah, 5x plus 5y equal to 35. Subtract. Finish. Okay. Clear now? Simple. Okay, which one? Which one not getting? This is need practice. Because each question different. There is no pattern. Which one not getting, I'll tell you. Other. Okay, 2x plus 3y equal to 17. Next one. 2x plus 3y equal to 17. Second equation what? Okay, simple. You want to eliminate x or y. You want to eliminate x or y. Y. Okay, simple. First equation multiply by 2. Second equation multiply by 3. Because 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 6. Finish. Then adding. One is plus, one is minus. Adding, y will go. Okay, try this method. Try. Okay. There is no magic in this. You have to try only. Okay. Aman, last class, how many questions we did? All the questions you have tried this method. Last class, how many we did? Everything by this method. Okay. Hey, you didn't write that what I said. First equation, other. First equation, I'm going to eliminate y. First equation multiply by 2. Second equation multiply by 3. Then add, we'll get it. Why not verifying? Look at here. Then I'll show you. Okay, look. Look at here. I think you're facing problem in addition. 2x plus 3y equal to 17. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Okay. Number 1, number 2. First equation I multiply by 2, but 4x plus 6y equal to 34. Number 3. Second equation multiply by 3. 9x minus 6y equal to 18. Number 4. Add 13y equal to 52. Correct? Adding plus 6y minus 6y we added. Okay. What? Why 11x1? 4 plus 9, what? Okay. Okay. So okay. You have to multiply every time. All the times you have to multiply it. Okay. Getting now, finish it fast. Then I have to, I'll give you a fresh questions. Angelina, Sanjay, getting or not? Sahil, Radhika. Yes, sometimes you have to multiply both equations, sometimes only once. Okay, correct. Varada, sometimes we have to multiply only one equations, sometimes both equations, like that. Okay. Until listen, doesn't matter whether you multiply one times or two times. We have to get, there is not trick. There is no trick. Okay. You have to make it equal. That's the only thing. That's why I told you, this will need some logic mind. The first method, not need to worry, you will get it. Okay, but sometimes the question may ask, use by elimination method, then you have to do it. If it is open, you can use any method. Next method, little more tough. Next method, later on I'll do it, not now. Okay. I'm waiting. Next method, I'm waiting. Maybe it is dropped. Okay. Why should we learn? Okay. Because Carmel, they're not doing the deleted portion now. Okay. They're waiting the new syllabus. I don't know. Your school all early started and doing this all. Okay. Let's just see. We have time now. Even 2 years back, cross multiplication method is dropped. So of course, this year also dropped. These two methods you practice it. After that, I'll start the word problems. Same sign, subtract. Correct or no? Like 3x, 3x. Subtract, it will eliminate. If it is different sign, plus 3x, minus 3x, when you are added. Both are minus, subtract. Come on, man. Same sign. Both are minus means same sign. Same sign, subtract. Different sign, add. Hello. Okay, while subtracting, we have that is both are same, Ahmed. Both are same. We can select equation 1, equation 2. Both are same. No issue. Okay. No affect that. Ahmed, it won't affect the answer. You can 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. There is no problem. Okay, getting on. Finish all. Akshaya, finish. Come on, I'm waiting. Hello, finish all. Okay. Okay. Take your time. Okay, but it should match the answer. Okay, that's the important thing. So after this one, I'll go some other type of questions. That's why. Okay. Adav, getting now? Adil. Hello, Adil. If not getting asked, don't just hide. Because otherwise later will be big problem. Okay. If not getting this base, you'll be in trouble. Okay. If not, because now only I can spend time. After that, I won't get time because I just read the word problems. Okay, you make the solution. That's only. Yes, no problem. Constants are same. Then there is way. What is the problem? What constant same? What is the equation? Tell me. Then I tell you. What is your equation? Which constant you're talking about here? C part. What is the solution? What is your question? Okay, x plus y equal to 7. Okay, I'll show this one. Look, x plus y. Okay, second one, tell me. Look, okay, x plus y equal to 7. 5x plus 12y equal to 7. Okay, what is the problem? Easiest way, multiply by 5. This is 1, this is 2. 1 into 5. 5x plus 5y equal to 35. Number 3. Subtract. It's gone. 7y equal to minus 28. Y equal to minus 4. Clear now? Varada, clear now? Y equal to minus 4. Actually, elimination, some part we did last class. After getting x, yeah, eliminating, no, that one. Sham, tell me. Two x plus Okay. You want to eliminate which one? Sham, you want to eliminate either X or Y. What do you want? X. Okay. Sham, I have some suggestion. Sham, if there is 1 plus 1 is negative, better eliminate that one because just adding enough. Other, I have some suggestion. If 1 is X, sorry, 1 is negative, 1 is positive, that is easier to eliminate. Just adding. So, Sham, your suggestion, you do one thing. You take it Y. 1 into 2. What happened? 4x plus 6y equal to 34. Number 3. 2 into 3. 12x minus 6y equal to 18. Number 4. Just add. 16x equal to how much? 52. Correct or no? Correct? 2, 4x. No, I multiplied 4x plus 6y equal to 34. 3. Oh, it's wrong. No. 9x. Correct or no? 9x. 9x, 6y, 18. So what? 13, x equal to 52. X equal to 14. X equal to 14. Sham? Okay, if you still insist X, what will you do? Suppose you forced to eliminate X, you can do what? Look at here. 1 into 3. 6x plus 9y equal to 51. Number 3. 2 into 2. We get 6x minus 4y equal to 18. Number 4. Subtract. Gone. 13y equal to 51. 51 minus 18, how much? 51 minus 18. I think 26, right? No, not 26. How much? 51 minus 18. 39. Okay. 39. So y equal to 3. Okay. Sham, you can eliminate X or Y. I just suggested only. Okay. Take X. Okay. You can multiply by second equation. No. This is simple. Hey, Ahmed, this is just subtract. This one just subtract. Y will eliminate. No, why you want to do this one? 2x. Look. 2x minus y equal to 6. Okay. Subtract. X minus Y equal to 2. Subtract, man, gone. X equal to 4. Minus Y, gone. Same number now. 2x minus x. X equal to 4. 6 minus 2, 4. Finish. Directly got. Okay, all the questions finished? Okay, wait. Okay, I'll wait. Today I'll do this only, this method only. Next class only, another method. I'll wait because your next class, everyone thorough both methods because I want to explain how to solve it. I'll give the weight problems. Weight problems I'll explain to you. Okay. Okay, finish all. Okay, so those who finish, either finish or not. Okay, wait, I'll wait. Okay, finish. Okay, those who finish this question, only those who finish. Only those who finish try this question. Okay. X plus y equal to 3. 4x minus 3y equal to 26. Okay, try this one. Okay, wait. Okay, hey, y equal to -2, x equal to 5. Okay, wait. Let's finish all. Okay, finish. Afia, -2 and 5. Okay. Finish now? Hello, finish? So what is the progress now? Is it okay now, this method? Oh, y equal to minus 14. Hey, come on, Anugrah. Look at here, Anugrah. So I multiply this simple way. This is 1, this is 3. 1 into 3. What? 3x plus 3y equal to 9. Number 3. Subtract. Sorry, add. Minus 3 plus 3. 7x equal to 35. X equal to 5. Right? X equal to 5. And y equal to what? 5 plus y equal to 3. Y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. Okay, y equal to minus 2. Correct it now. I remove x. Okay, you are what is the problem? Remove x. Remove x. Remove. Okay, x remove. What's the problem? No problem. Look at here. Okay, you want to remove x. Okay. First equation multiplied by 4. What? 4x plus 4y equal to 12. Number 3. 2 minus 3. Subtract. Minus 7y equal to 40. Y equal to minus 2. Same. Okay. Clear now? Sign mistakes you have to solve it. Okay. Like this only, subtraction, change the sign and add. Change the sign and add. Okay. Okay, complete first. Look at here, next class, you have to study both methods. Hello. Then only I can start the next topic. Okay. Both method is thorough. Other, everyone, both method you should thorough. Then only we can complete this one. Okay. After that, test portions this only. Test portion is solution. Okay, simple test solutions. Okay, but Thursday I'll start the word problems. That time I'll explain the question, form the equations, solving your part only. Okay, this is enough today. You prepare this one, then only I can start next one.